What is going on, YouTube? Coming at y'all with another video. Yeah, I know it's crazy. I got 2 videos back to back. That never happens, but anyway. Yeah, so in the last video I mentioned got a little something going on here. Why my bumper's not there, why I took it off. Like I said, a lot of you guys that know anything about second gens probably know what's going on. But yeah, so today's video I'm gonna reveal that and put it on there. It's gonna look good too, I have no doubt in my mind. It's really gonna change the look of this truck. Been wanting to do this even when I had old blue, but yeah, let's go ahead and get it out here and show y'all what we got. Here's a little hint. Yeah, y'all probably already know what's coming now, for sure. Another hint, huh? Anybody guessing? You already know. Yeah, I'm sure you guys guess it. 4th gen bumper, you already know. Going on the 2nd gen, it's gonna look really good. See if I can hold it up. Can't really see if I got it on there right. Yeah. But yeah, in today's video, we're gonna be installing the 4th gen bumper on the 2nd gen. And yeah, I gotta run to the hardware store to get some bolts and some nuts and some washers and all that good stuff. You know, make sure she don't go nowhere. And these right here are the brackets for the 4th gen. These are the conversion brackets from the 4th gen bumper to the 2nd gen. So just sit on there like that. I don't know if you guys can see. Yeah. Go ahead, pack us a lip and head to the hardware store. Cut bang straight like always. If you're watching this video, you're a dipper yourself, go ahead, throw one in. It's gonna be a good video, so. A little bit of that pick me up. Alright guys, so I'm about to get all these brackets mounted. Once I do that, we'll go ahead and put her on the truck. Guys, we got the 4th gen bumper brackets on. Now it's time to put the 4th gen, the 2nd gen conversion brackets on. Alright guys, so we've got all the brackets on. Now it's time to put it on the truck. It's like a total of 16 bolts or so, 8 for each side. And you know, the nuts too, but 3 of them on each side. Don't need nuts on them because it goes into the bracket built in with it when it's threaded on the bracket. So guys, here it is one last time. Cleaned all the fingerprints and dirt and stuff off of it that was on there. Yep, so that's it all shined up. I like the way it turned out, so I got it bolted on all the way. I need some micro adjustment, but I think it came out pretty damn good myself. But anyway, appreciate all you guys watching. If you're new to the channel, you know, subscribe. Y'all leave a like on this video, comment. If y'all got any ideas for the Sega Gen, feel free to let me know in the comments below. You know, I'm always open to ideas. Still got a lot I want to do to this truck. But yeah, like I said, thanks for watching, guys. Catch y'all on the next one.